Good morning, and we are about to walk up a hill in Trondheim called Geitfjellet and Goat Mountain, and we have brought our camera gear and we are thinking about trying to get the sunrise. And it's now 5:10 in the morning, and the weather is actually looking pretty good. So we brought the dog, and we are thinking about trying to get some good films up the road. So see you later.
Some would say I'm insane in the riding away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the riding away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere
Just look at
I
that
don't
scenery.
know and give me your freedom.
Still got a few meters up.
To pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
And here we are. Stop.
So we got up at the top of Geitfjellet, which can be like roughly translated to Goat Mountain. It is 416 meters above sea, and it is one of my favorite places in the whole of my home city. And you can easily see why, because it's very close to the city, but it's still, you feel like you're like in the wilderness and you are very far away from all the disturbances. And when you get to the top, you can see this sign in the back here, which marks, and there's also a dog running loose. Oh shit. This sign here, which says Geitfjellet 416 meters above havet, which is sea in Norwegian. So there's a little informational poster, and we can also walk around the top and see, like, there's a panoramic view, and you can see from all the coast over there and to the city, which is where the sunrise is right now. And you can also see towards other parts, so you can see all over. It's stunning, really. So we were up pretty early today. I think it was, the alarm rang at 4 and I was dead, like literally dead. My boyfriend was talking to me and I was just like, don't disturb me, I have my beauty sleep. But I eventually got up and do not regret it right now. Might regret it a little bit later, but it is definitely worth the hike. It's a little of a steep climb, but it is also worth it, and you get up to this beautiful peak in which you can see all of the city. And I really advise you, if you are traveling to Trondheim, go see this beautiful place because you can see so much of the city at the same time, and you can get a whole overview of the whole place. So that is really, really nice. And now the sun is really rising, and we get some beautiful red tones and some beautiful nice orangey fire tones. So we're gonna get a time lapse. That's gonna be beautiful. I honestly don't think that there is any way better to eat breakfast than on the top of a mountain with a Primus. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we brought our dry tech food and all the necessary equipment to do the cooking. Not all yet, but I'm really looking forward to this cup of coffee with this view, and some breakfast should be just extraordinary. I got my coffee and the view. That's really good. This is instant coffee, and the box said that it expired in 2014. So hva er årgang kalt?
Recycling!
It's recycling! Like when wine bottles have the year they were made, which is kind of exclusive and fancy, I have expired coffee. Yeah. It's actually pretty good. It's amazing. And breakfast I had torsk. What's that in? Let's see. English. Cod in creamy curry sauce. And boyfriend has pulled pork with rice. Or did, because now it's all gone.
I'm a big boy now.
You're a big boy now. You eat your whole meal.
I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go, we're better off tomorrow, but who knows if we get joy or sorrow. Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever.
got our breakfast done, coffee done, and the exercise of the day also done. So now we're just gonna get down and get into town, do some shopping and some other stuff that needs to be done because it is a Saturday. So one last whoop. Okay, I was saying one last view. Okay, one last view of this beautiful view. It's so pretty because we can either go the nice and cozy easy way down, or we can do just like, do you want to survive or do you want to die? I don't know, and we'll see if you get to the bottom, if you live or if you die. So it looks like the boys took the do you want to die path. So I guess I'll do that too. Maybe I'll fall again. He's a survivor. Okay, so he survived. Don't know if I will. Just look at this. This is just straight down. Don't look so steep from here, but it is straight down. Okay, let's try. I fortunately do have very good shoes. It's crispy hiking shoes. So ooh, that makes it up a little bit easier. But this is just, it's easier in summer, but not when it's too wet, because then you just get the mud and all that stuff. So yes, we got down. Boys are over there. So it's like it's pretty steep ride. You start from, I don't know how high above sea level you are when you start out. It's not that high because you kind of drive up a hill from town and then you just go a couple of kilometers further and then you just good save.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did.
The whole trip up and down takes about an hour 15 minutes. Let's say 1 hour to 1.5 hours. And that's not counting the time that you use on the top and everything like that. There were no people when we went down there today. Might not be so weird because we were up 6 o'clock. We met one guy just now walking towards the top. Apart from that, not meeting any people at all. I think the time is about 7:30 or something right now. I don't know. But it's really like, this hike is really, really nice. And like now it is really, really beautiful because you get the snow and like kind of the lush side of the pine trees. Like you can see all around me that there are beautiful, beautiful pine trees and there's a lot of squirrels and that sort of stuff also. So really nice. And also in the summer, because then you get all the like lush, beautiful Norwegian nature. It's very beautiful. On the way up as well. The only times when I wouldn't recommend going up is like when the snow is melting and there is like you can walk on the ground but the snow is still melting, so there's a lot of mud and that stuff. It's not suited for dogs because they will get really muddy. But apart from that, it's really, really beautiful. We have done the exercise for the day. We have done the outside walk with the dog and everything like that. And we can just go home, get a shower, and just be home. So, all in all, really happy with the result of this hike. And just getting home and just editing all the footage and posting it as a hiking vlog. I really like those, and there's a lot of nice hiking options around where we live, so definitely more of that. But still though, thank you so much for following us and just coming with me on this beautiful morning hike with the sunrise and everything. So thank you for that, and wish you a wonderful day.
And give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces.